If you've watched any of my previous videos, you'll know I love recipe boxes, right? I mean, there's so many reasons why I love them. Firstly, I don't have to go to the supermarket with a toddler. Let's face it, we all know how that goes. Also at the supermarket, you actually end up buying more than you need, so you have leftover fresh ingredients that sometimes will go off unless you use it up, which is a total waste, or is on the shelf in the kitchen untouched for a very long time, until it goes off and then you have to throw it. Everything is delivered to my front door and it's really exciting waiting for the box to come. I'm always looking forward to it during the week. It also saves so much cooking time. These boxes are great. Everything comes measured out exactly with the recipe card, and all you have to do is follow a few simple steps and just throw everything together. I've tried recipes from different cuisines I would never have thought about cooking. It's great for meal planning and changing up the menu from my usual meals. I've learnt so many new healthy recipes. Eating healthily doesn't have to be boring. But there is a big problem with the Gousto and HelloFresh. The meat is not halal, and I'm really bored with eating fish recipes now. Please, no more fish recipes. I had a look on Google to see if I could find a halal recipe box, and I found it's halal. This is UK's #1 halal recipe box, which I did not know existed. So I had a look. The website looks really clear and simple. I actually messaged them and asked if they could provide a discount code for you guys, for anyone who sees this video, and they kindly said yes. So if you'd like to try a box, simply type in tube15 for 15% off your entire order. So how it works is you place an order before Friday and you'll receive your box on the Tuesday. Simple. I like how there's no subscription, so I can go on whenever I like and order myself a box. I don't need to keep skipping boxes every week like I do with HelloFresh. Once I forgot to skip a week and they sent me a box of random recipes which I didn't like. So you then pick your recipes. It's Halal encourages to choose at least one vegetarian meal because it's actually not good for the body to eat meat every day. And eating meat daily can cause all sorts of health problems. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, had very little meat and would only eat meat if eating with a gathering. The Prophet's diet was made in the items listed here. And by choosing a vegetarian dish, you're also open to trying new flavours and vegetables you might not have even tried before, as well as gaining different nutrients and vitamins for the body. Once you've placed your order, just got to wait for Tuesday. On the day of delivery, you'll receive an email to tell you what time it's going to come, and then they'll just leave it on your front door. Oh, the box has come. I'm really excited to see what's inside. I love the logo. I have a cute sticker on the side as well. Right, let's have a look inside. So on the top of the box it says must consume within 5 days. Don't be leaving it around because everything's really fresh. Let's see what's inside here. So everything's very neatly packaged. So we've got four bags here. So we've got, let's have a look. So I'm going to have a look in the first bag. So let's put this to the side for a minute. So we've got a booklet. It's a Halal booklet. And it just tells you all about the company and what to expect in the box, and the prices and the price per meal. So everything's really clear. So yeah, definitely check them out. They have the website here is www.itshalal.co.uk. I'll link all the discount code and the website in the description box. They're also on Facebook and Instagram, so you can go and have a look and see what they're all about. So let's have a look at the recipe cards. So we've got 3 recipes here. So first of all we've got, so Senegalese beef mafe. I would definitely never ever think of making this. The great thing about the box is you'll make recipes that you would never even think about making. Like I would never even think of making this recipe. You've got all your ingredients at the back here, and you've got your method on your left. And it tells you all your key nutritional information at the bottom. Number 2 we have this is a vegetarian dish, so it's a Brazilian stew, plantain, moqueca. I cannot say these words. With jasmine rice. And again, that's your recipe at the back there. And we've got sumac spice, moussaka chicken with onion jus and chopped salad. That sounds very fancy. So moussaka is a hugely popular national Palestinian chicken dish marinated with 4 different distinct spices, bursting with unique flavours, making this a special evening meal. Yeah, if I cook this, my husband would be like, this is definitely not you. So this is meat. Have a look. We've got some parsley. It's actually even handwritten. It feels very personal, like not corporate. We've got some cherry tomatoes, 2 onions, we've got a lemon, flaked almonds. This is all your spices mixed up. Chili flakes. We've got sumac, half a cucumber, Turkish chili. I love Turkish chilies. If you check any of my recipes on my YouTube channel, you will always find a Turkish chili somewhere in there. I've got 2 tortilla flatbreads and 3 garlic cloves. So all these ingredients are for the sumac spiced moussaka chicken recipe. All your fresh meat is in the separate bag, which has got the ice packs in. This is a vegetarian dish. We've got some plantain. I've actually never ever cooked with plantain ever. So I hope I know what I'm doing, but I'll just follow the recipe exactly. So we've got some plantain here. We've got fresh coriander. This is a really heavy bag, so it has slightly torn. We've got some organic whole plum tomatoes. We've got coconut milk. We've got a chili. Green bell pepper. We've got some paprika. We've got some 150 grams of rice. And we have in an onion and a lemon. I've got some ginger here. Got some ginger. And we've got 2 cloves of garlic. No, we've got 3 cloves of garlic. So that's for the Brazilian stewed plantain with jasmine rice. So for this one, we have some coriander, carrot, 2 carrots. We have some 150 grams of rice again. We have an onion, a lemon, beef stock, paprika and a bay leaf, some peanuts, there's so much things that come out. We've got 2 tomatoes, a pepper, that looks spicy, some ginger, another carrot. Now we've got some garlic as well. And we've got some garlic cloves as well. And this is for the beef dish. And I love how it tells you how to store everything. So on the box it tells you exactly how to store all the ingredients and where they need to go. This is all the meat now. Right, we have, okay. So we've got, this is the ice pack. So you can either cut it up, pop it, get rid of the water and pop it into the bin, or you can even pop it into the freezer and you can use it for yourself if you're going on a picnic or something. So we've got some yogurt, we have some tomato paste, more tomato paste, okay, we've got some green olives here, peanut butter, beef strips. It feels really strange getting meat out of one of these subscription boxes because I'm so used to getting fish or vegetables only. So yeah, we have some meat and we've got some 2 chicken legs as well. So like it says on the box, you can either pop it into the fridge for 5 days, or you can pop it into the freezer and then just pop it into the fridge and defrost overnight for the next day whenever you want to make it. So I'll make the recipes and I'll let you know how it turned out. Bye! So today we're going to try making the spiced Masakan chicken recipe. So here's the recipe card, all the ingredients and the method at the back. Everything's here, measured out exactly how much I need. So let's see how it turns out. I also found with these recipe kits, as everything's measured out, your kitchen's actually more in order and less messy, just because you don't need to keep getting things in and out of the cupboards and fridge. Everything's just there, ready to throw. All the packaging was really easy to recycle. The puffin pack, the ice pack, the paper bags, plastic tubs, and the polypropylene bags. And the outer box wasn't too bulky, so it fit into the recycling bin very nicely. Not only that, instead of throwing the little plastic pots into your recycling bin, you can always wash the pots, dry them, and find ways to use them at home. This chicken recipe was definitely my favourite one from the three. It was really easy to make. It's the one where you just throw everything into a dish, pop it into the oven, and then while it's baking, you can then just prepare your salad. So it's really easy to prepare, and it was absolutely delicious, and the chicken was really nice and soft. So my toddler loved it too. Definitely a recipe I will be making again. My next recipe was plantain recipe, so I actually made this one after work, so it's nice that I know what I will be cooking for the next few days. So I made this after work. It only took me 25 minutes from start to finish, which is super fast. It was definitely nice to have a fresh meal after work, and it didn't take long at all. The plantain was absolutely delicious. The sauce was my favourite. By using organic ingredients and the beautiful blend of spices and flavours. Because of this, in the plantain dish I actually forgot to add a touch of salt, and I found the flavour was so good, salt wasn't even needed. The final recipe was the Senegalese beef mafe. I've actually never heard of this recipe. It was really easy to make again. I expected the beef to be chewy, but it was really nice and soft. And again, another one that my husband and my little toddler absolutely love. They change the recipes weekly, so there's always something new to try. It's not a subscription, so you can just choose a box whenever you feel like. Definitely worth trying a box, and if you're going to try a box, then definitely type in tube15 at checkout, where you will receive 15% off your entire order. Thanks for watching. Bye!